Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have a watch review of this very cool Christopher Ward C65 Super Compressor Elite. So this watch was sent to me by Christopher Ward to test out and then send it back. So after the review, I'll be putting it back in the box. They sent it with this bracelet. It comes, I think, also in two versions with rubber straps. I would recommend getting on the rubber straps, but we'll get to this later on. I'd like to thank Christopher Ward for sending the watch, and would like to start by asking you to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and also hit the bell button. It does help the channel a lot. So let's get down to specifications. So the watch is 41 millimeters in diameter. Lug to lug is around 48. Thickness 12.5. Oops, sorry, I didn't see that. 12.5. And lug width is 22 millimeters. On the back side, as you can see, you have the super compressor. Basically, the super compressor idea is to have here a thin 300 micron zigzag metal plate that get compressed when you go deeper. So the deeper you get, the more secure the case back gets, which is quite the feat. And I don't think there is a lot of watches that are really super compressor on the market at the moment. So you have here a COSC certified Sellita SW300-1, which has 56 hours power reserve running on 28,800 vibration. Like I said, it was keeping excellent time the past couple of weeks when I was wearing it. And what you can see also, I think this bracelet version is 1805. Stainless steel bracelet, stainless steel case. Case back, as you can see, with this Christopher Ward stainless steel super compressor emblem on the case back, as you can see here. And you have two crowns. The crown at the 2 o'clock moves in one side, the inner bezel, and the other one is a screw down crown for the time. And as a diver, it's, I think, 200 meters water resistance, or 150. Yeah, 150 to 15 atmos. And you have also, not abundant, I wouldn't say abundant lume, but you have some lume pips and some lume on the hands. The lume pips disappears quite quickly, but the hands stay a little bit longer. I love the design of the watch. I really love how the colors play with each other. I love the decompression chart on the dial, which I have a short video to explain how it works. So be sure to check that out. I enjoyed the watch so much. So the watch comes in this box. It's a wooden box. You get the super compressor booklet to tell you how to engage all the stuff. Bracelet, 5 years guarantee. And I think this is the guarantee card. I'll be showing you this. And as I said, you get the bracelet. I already wore it on the bracelet a lot of times. I really liked it on the bracelet. The only thing I didn't enjoy about the bracelet is the change of light when it hits the bracelet and the case. So as you can see, there are different kind of finish. This is a horizontal finish and this is a circular finish. So it does show. What I did is I wore it also most of the time on this, and I will show you how to change the straps quite easily. You have here the quick spring bar system. You just have to press on two sides and it goes out. Show you here again. You just have to press on these two sides and it goes out. So pretty easy system. And why I liked also the bracelet is this micro adjustment on the fly. So basically you push and then you can adjust the bracelet on the fly with several millimeters. So definitely pretty cool functionality for the bracelet. Also good heft, milled clasp. The clasp works also pretty well. The bracelet is heft-wise, I think around maybe 70-80 grams, so quite good weight also to balance out the weight of the watch, which is not so heavy. Here is from the back. This is, like I said, the super compressor thin layer of metal that get compressed, this filament, and the deeper you go, the more secure the watch becomes. And I usually wore this watch on this autumn strap, as it really complemented the colors of the watch. The beige, the blue, and the orange complement each other really well. So here is on my 17.1 centimeter wrist. I think it looks quite well. So we can take this off again. So this makes it so much easier to change the straps, like I said. And yeah, what I also really like on this watch is the amount of detail to the finishing of the case. So as you can see, you have a circular finish or circular polish on the case front. On the chamfers you have polished, so it does reflect the color really well. And on the side you have bead blasted, I think. It's not circular, it's not vertical, and then you get again another polished finish. So the case looks very complex but very cool. The lugs pull inward, so it wears even good with smaller size wrist. And now it's time to put this on the Timegrapher to see how is it performing after a couple of weeks of wearing. So as you can see, it's performing around -7, which is around, I would say, chronometer. Maybe if I change the position of the watch. That's the problem with these kind of multifunction Timegraphers. You have to have the exact right position. So as you can see, I changed the position. We have +3, amplitude 262, 0.0 beat error, and around 28,800 vibrations per hour. So I have -3, +3, which is the perfect COSC range. So I think for me, from user experience, I got to measure it once I put it on the first time, and I wore it continuously until I tested again against the atomic time, and it was keeping quite good time. So I don't have any kind of issues in timekeeping. So I do like the watch. I prefer it on straps than the bracelet. So I would recommend buy both. Buy the bracelet if you want to get the watch. Buy the bracelet, buy the strap, keep the bracelet in the box as good as new, or actually new. And then when you want to sell the watch anytime, you would be able to sell it with a new bracelet as well. So I think that's all. I also like this crown, how it looks. As you can see, you have this orange accent around the crown, and this one has the Christopher Ward logo. So pretty cool design, really nice watch. Definitely very unique if you're looking for a cool diver that's outside of the, let's say, the normal diver. I would recommend this one. And as always, this is an invitation to subscribe. You can find the button here, and there are 2 videos on the left and on the right that might interest you as well. Thanks again. See you in the next one. Bye bye everybody.